Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to do this viral hairstyle that we all saw on social media. This is called the invisible locks. All right, so I'm doing this on my niece. This is my first time doing this style, so bear with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all. So for the products that I'll be using, I'm using this Expression brand LOCS. It's conical on hair for kids, because I'm doing this on my niece, so I'm just barely using it for some highlights at the end. Tail comb, as usual, get them part nice and clean. Double prong clips, touchdown edge control, shine and jam, and I'm definitely using oil even though I didn't show it. For this hairstyle, guys, there are two ways in which you can definitely achieve this hairstyle. One of which I am using a fine tooth comb to get that twist going on right there. So make sure that each twist are going in the same direction, and you want to make sure it's nice and tight, and then you want to make sure that you secure with one of those double prong clips. So as you can see, I'm twisting to my left. So each twist goes to my left because I twist on the right. So now you're going to grab both twists, and then you're going to twist in the opposite direction because I twist on the right. So if you twist on the left for each twist, twist on the right. If you twist on the right for each, twist on the left when you're doubling them both. Now, as you can see, I am going to add the ear. Some people add it at the beginning, but I am just going to add it like in the middle of the hair because I just need just a few highlights, because my niece have a nice tall hair, nice and natural, you know what I'm saying? So all I need is just a little highlight at the end. Okay, right there. Now for the other method I'm about to show you guys right now. So the first one was with the comb, a fine tooth comb. Now this is the one where you do that like the little flat twist, come down. You just make sure that your twist is nice and tight. All right, that's just the key to this hairstyle, just making sure that those first two twists are nice and tight. Always secure your twist with a double prong clip. And remember, I'm rolling to my left. Whatever you do with one side, do it with the other. All right, so you continue, make that twist all the way down. Some people do it this way, and some people use a fine tooth comb. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. The key is getting that twist nice and tight. And now, because I twist to my left, I'm twist to my right. Okay, I'm twisting to my right now. So that way your twist stays in place. They won't pull out or loose. And I'm gonna just grab my hair just for some highlights, as I said, twist that down, and let that locks looking like it's like locks. All right, y'all. So yes, guys, this is it, my first try, and I think I did pretty good for my first try. And then for the end, I am just gonna bring that twist up, roll it. You can put a rubber band, or you can just wrap until the hair is finished. That's all I did. I didn't really put any rubber bands, but right here, as you can see, I just keep rolling that hair, put some edge control or something at the end, and just keep rolling it until it's no more to roll. That's all I did. As you can see that highlight looking like real locks. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm finally finished with this hairstyle, this invisible locks. I'm not gonna lie, this took a while to finish, okay? This is the longest hair I've ever done. But anywho, guys, hope you guys try this. All right, whether you do it on your own or you get somebody else to do it, but it looks pretty. I think I will rock it for myself. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel naman. I'm at Manoy Tagwan.